the quadratic equation whose roots are 4 and 5. The roots means the answer. Under normal circumstances, they give you the equation and they ask you to solve for the roots. That is, solve for the answer. But now, reverse is the case. The examiner gave you the answers, that is the roots, and asked you now to look for the quadratic equation that has 4 and 5 as a possible value of x. That is the answer. So don't be scared. I will take you through step by step how to go about it, and you'll be able to find out the quadratic equation that has 4 and 5 as the answer. So let's go. What I'm expecting from you is for you to comment, like, and then share. These are the things I am expecting from you. So let's go. We have solution. We are given 4 and 5 as the root of quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? We don't know. So we are going to use these two possible answers to work back so that we will arrive at the quadratic equation. So the first step is for you to write it down like this. The second step is for you to say x is equal to 4 and s is equal to 5. You understand? These are the two possible value of x. S is equal to 4 as we were given, and s is equal to 5 as we were given. So the next step, what you have to do, you have to move this 4 to meet this x. Also, you move this 5 to meet this x. You understand? By so doing, when this 4 crossing the sign of equality is positive here to change to negative, then you have something like this: x minus 4, bracket close, you understand, is equal to 0. And then x minus 5, bracket close, is equal to 0. You understand? Why the sign change? Because it crosses the sign of equality to go and meet this x. So let's go. We'll now have we'll have here x minus 4 is equal to 0 and s minus 5 is equal to 0. Don't forget, the normal the root they give to us is a positive. But because it crosses the sign of equality here, then the sign changes. We are working towards the quadratic equation that gave us this answer. So let's go. Then the next step is for us to remove this 0 and bring together these two roots here and equate everything to 0. By so doing, we have bracket x minus 4, bracket close, and the bracket s minus 5, bracket close, equal to 0. So let's go this side. The next step is for us to expand these values in this bracket. We have to expand it. By expanding it, we have to multiply everything here with everything here. You understand? So we have x times x. We have x squared. X times 5. We have, that is plus x times minus 5. We have minus 5x. Look at it, don't be confused. It turned to minus because this x now is assumed to be positive. It's multiplying this 5, and 5 here is negative, so the sign changes. You understand? So we are done with that. We come again. We say minus 4 times x is minus 4x. You understand? Minus 4 times minus 5 is plus 20, because minus times minus is plus. At this point, what we do now we have to collect like terms. By collecting like terms, we have s square minus 5s minus 4s will give you minus 9x plus 20. This is the quadratic equation that has 4 and 5 as the root. If you doubt it, when you solve this equation now, this quadratic equation, you arrive at the possible answer as the 5 and 6. Please, if you find it interesting, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow. Thank you.